Okay, so my name is Travis Mathis. I'm a core team developer at Market Protocol, and I'm just going to be demoing an update of the continued polish of the SIM exchange, as well as maybe, is Nitin here?
Yeah, I see him as part of the call.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will leave the new Grid Explorer to Nitin to demo then.
Sweet.
So as you can see, not a whole lot of real new feature-wise. A lot of this was working and has been demoed, but now it looks real nice and pretty. We have our order book as well as the depth chart related to that live and working, as you can see. So it looks a lot nicer. We also have, if I change contracts here, you'll notice I have some positions on this contract. The data updates nicely. We have trade history available. We now have wallet history available. And you can also begin to, I apologize for the dog in the background, click on orders in the order book and buy. There is a bug here. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you before I click the button that this isn't actually going to sign the transaction and go through. There's a couple of bugs here that we're working through, but so we do have an invalid signature error here that I'm aware of that we have to work through. But you can see this has a lot of transactions, a lot of history. And that's kind of where we're at. We've done a lot of polishing this week on it. Get to this point. Oh, there's also one more thing to show that's been updated. So I am going to show, we do have the new open orders and cancellation of an open order functionality finalized. So I'm going to go ahead and show that whole process now with all the new UI that we put in this week. So I'm just going to buy one BTC at what's the current price? Can't click on anything. So I'm gonna have the current price of BTC. All right, I've got it. 64.90. So at 64.90, we place a buy order, and we will sign our transaction. And we now have an open order that can be filled. But we can also cancel our orders now. And even though that transaction took place off chain, we do have the functionality and the capability to cancel that order, so that the order can essentially be blacklisted and can't be filled. It does require a transaction, as you saw, to cancel an order. So yeah, that's all the updated functionality for the week on the SIM exchange, but it's nearly feature complete from the sense of a initial build out of the SIM exchange and what we were hoping to accomplish, end-to-end soup to nuts trades. There is one more tiny section to go here. We still have our temporary ability to fill JSON blobs this way. And so until we replicate that UI over here somewhere in some way, and the ability to share the JSON blob with people, that's going to remain for the time being. But as far as functionality goes, we have, in short of the one little bug in the order book, which I hope we take care of today or tomorrow. And once we can complete that order, we'll be able to do everything regarding market protocol contracts from within the SIM exchange, from depositing into a contract, withdrawing, creating buy and sell orders, canceling those orders, viewing our net positions, viewing trade history, and making trades against the order.